Hi, this is Pankuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today I saw Anushka Sharma's latest production venture Filori, and what this horror rom-com has to offer, I will let you know now. Canada returned Kanan is all set to tie the knot with his childhood sweetheart Anu. However, there's a problem. Kanan मांगलिक है और इसलिए उसे एक पीपल के पेड़ से शादी करनी पड़ती है. In the process, he gets married to the ghost who resides on that tree, Shashi. शशि की भी अपनी एक अधूरी प्रेम कहानी है and she always wonders why her love story did not work out. Shashi is confused, Kanan is confused and scared, and Anu is completely clueless and confused as she cannot see Shashi and does not know what's wrong with her fiancé. Why is Shashi still lingering around? How did she die? Why her love story did not work out? Will Kanan be able to get rid of her, and how her presence affects his life forms the rest of the plot. Anushka Sharma is playing Shashi and she is not your regular white sari हाथ में कैंडल लेके घूमने वाली भूतनी, but a feisty spirit. She is looking pretty, fits her role but is let down by a weak script. Her Shashi is a little judgmental क्योंकि वो 100 साल पुराने जमाने से है. Anushka is convincing as the adorable ghost और ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि इस फिल्म में अगर कुछ देखने लायक है तो वो है Shashi. Diljit Dosanjh has essayed the role of Shashi's lover Filori and he is perfect in his part. It's a delight to watch him play the rock star of the pre-independence era. His character is sweet and vulnerable and will give you major boyfriend goals. Suraj Sharma of Life of Pi fame has played Kanan, and though I had high expectations from him, he is a bit of a letdown क्योंकि A उनके पास फिल्म में ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं और B he has one perplexed expression plastered on his face all through the film. मेहरीन पीरज़ादा ने अनु का रोल प्ले किया है एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इससे ज़्यादा दुखी कैरेक्टर मैंने पिछले कई सालों में नहीं देखा. All she does is cry her eyes out at every given opportunity. Not a very impressive Bollywood debut. In fact, the supporting cast is good. However, since the makers have not focused on establishing characters, they're all very half-baked. अगर कुछ characters को और develop किया जाता तो शायद ये फिल्म और entertaining हो सकती थी. The film starts with a bang, big fat Punjabi wedding and alcohol gulping दादी and all, और मुझे लगा कि ये फिल्म बहुत entertaining होगी, but half an hour down the line it becomes very sluggish. The concept was good but execution ढंग से नहीं हो पाया. The screenplay is a drag और climax तो खत्म ही नहीं होता. And not that they're showing anything extraordinary or it's moving the story forward in any way. एक सीन जिसे 1 मिनट से ज्यादा लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए था उसे इतना खींचा गया है कि बोर होके आग का भूत बन जाएगा. अंशय लाल has shot the film well, लेकिन screenplay और editing में he has failed miserably. The film also left me with a few questions. एक सीन है जिसमें बहुत सारे भूत हैं. शशि तो इतना बात करती है, लेकिन वो लोग आपस में बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे? इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? शशि कनन के अलावा पहले किसी को दिखती नहीं, but towards the end I got confused कि शशि और फिलौरी अनु को दिखते हैं या नहीं because it seems that she was watching them. शशि का भूत फिलौर से अमृतसर कैसे आता है and so on and so forth. The dialogues are strictly okay, the music is good, but there are way too many songs. I wish अंशय ने इस फिल्म के screenplay और script में थोड़ी और मेहनत करी होती. That said, there are some good moments and the special effects are cute. So all in all, Filori is not something that you would regret missing. Watch this film if you are an Anushka Sharma or a Diljit Dosanjh fan. I give this film a rating of 2 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.